Hey, Scotties, welcome back. Today we're going to be talking about how to use Flipgrid in Google Classroom. So I'm logged into Google here and I'm going to click my waffle. I'm going to go to my Google Classroom and you can see here that I have my class right here and there's something due today. So I'm going to click demo class here. I'm going to click my pancake. And remember, you always want to work off of your to-do list. And so I can see this week, I need to get this Flipgrid done. It is actually due today. So I'm going to click this assignment and it says, please respond to the Flipgrid. Okay, so I'm going to click this link here and it is going to take me to a Flipgrid. Now, Flipgrid is a really cool way that your teachers can get feedback from you and they can actually see your face. So this is super exciting. This says 2 truths and a lie. Introduce yourself, tell us your name, grade, and give us 2 truths and a lie. And then we could also, if other friends have posted on here, we could comment on their video with a video response. So a really cool way to be able to communicate with your teachers and students. So we're simply going to hit record a response, or you could actually hit this button here. And we are going to make sure that we are doing this with Google, and I am a test student today. And then you're going to see that it pulls up your camera. It tells me that I have 2 minutes and 30 seconds, and after that it's going to cut me off. And so when I'm ready to record, I simply hit here. So if you have a response to a question, sometimes it's a good idea to write down a little note about what you want to say so that you can get your recording done in one fell swoop, okay? So I'm going to press record. It's going to give me a countdown, and I'm going to say, hi guys, my name is Miss Yonker and I teach at Glasgow High School. 2 truths and 1 lie. First truth, I was a beauty pageant queen when I was a kid. Okay. Second truth or a lie, I love cats. And third one, I once got pulled aside at LAX for smuggling scissors in my backpack. All right. Okay, guys, good luck. And then I can hit pause. If I still needed to add something to my video here, I could just hit this record button again and keep going. But I think I'm done. I've done everything the video asked me to do. So I'm going to press next. Countdown. And I'm going to say, hi guys, watch your video. My name is Miss Yonker, and when you're ready to go, hit next. And then the last thing it's going to ask you to do is to take a selfie. Now, this will act like a thumbnail for your video. So I'm ready to take my selfie. Oh, that's horrible. Redo selfie. All right, so I'm going to smile. I'm going to be like, hi. And I don't like that one. I'm going to redo it again. Okay, that'll do. And then I'm going to hit next. And it's uploading my video. So I am going to leave this display name as test student. And then I'm just going to hit submit. Remember, guys, it's very important. Digital citizenship. Keep your private information safe. Don't ever put your first and full last name on there. And then hit submit. Success, yay. And that is complete. And you can see my video is here. And then all I have to do is close this out. Remember, in Google Classroom, you always mark as done or turn in, and that is done. Yes, sirree. And I can go back to my to-do list here and see I am all caught up. All right, guys, that is how you Flipgrid in Google Classroom. Good luck.